Welcome to Preyo Phonie, where we make tech simple and practical for everyone. Want to control who can interact with you on Threads? Today, I'll show you how to block and unblock users on Threads easily. Step 1. Open User Profile. Launch the Threads app and go to the user's profile. You can find them from your feed or by searching their username. Step 2. Open Options menu. Tap the three dots in the top right corner of their profile. This will show you account actions like block and report. Step 3. Block the user tap. Block from the menu options. Then tap Block again to confirm your action. Before we continue, tap subscribe to keep your tech game strong with Preyo Phonie's step-by-step guides. Unblock someone on Threads. Step 4. Go to your profile. Open Threads and tap your profile icon. Then tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Step 5. Open Privacy Settings. Select Privacy from the Settings menu. This is where your blocked list is stored. Step 6. View Blocked Profiles. Tap on Blocked Profiles to see all blocked users. You'll find a list of accounts you've blocked. Step 7. Unblock User Tap. Unblock next to the person's name. Confirm again to remove them from your blocked list. Step 8. Important note. If you blocked someone you followed, they'll be unfollowed automatically. After unblocking, you'll need to follow them again manually. And that's how you can block or unblock users on Threads. Subscribe for more smart and practical tech tutorials. Welcome to Preyo Phonie, where we make tech simple and practical for everyone. Tired of seeing unwanted or offensive content on your Threads feed? Today, I'll show you how to hide specific words on Threads and clean up your experience. Step 1. Open Threads Profile. Launch the Threads app and go to your profile page. Tap your profile icon to access your account settings. Step 2. Open Menu Settings. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner. This will open your account and privacy options. Step 3. Go to Content Preferences. Select Content Preferences from the list. Then tap on Hidden Words to continue. Before we go deeper, click subscribe and join thousands of tech enthusiasts mastering their digital tools. Step 4. Enable Default Filter. Turn on the switch to hide common offensive words automatically. This instantly filters out sensitive content from your feed. Step 5. Create Custom Filter. Tap New Filter to block your own selected words. Add a filter name to keep things organized. Step 6. Choose Filter Settings. Select whether to hide words from everyone or only people you don't follow. Also choose if the filter runs permanently or just for 30 days. Step 7. Add words to hide. Tap Add Words and type your keywords separated by commas. Then tap Done to confirm your list. Step 8. Save Filter. Tap Save to activate your custom filter. Now posts with those words won't appear in your Threads feed. And that's how you can filter and hide words on Threads. Subscribe for more smart and practical tech tutorials. Welcome to Preyo Phonie, where we make tech simple and practical for everyone. Want to boost engagement on Threads with interactive polls? Today, I'll show you how to create and share polls on Threads in seconds. Step 1. Open Threads and create post. Launch the Threads app and tap the new post icon at the bottom. This is where you start creating your poll post. Step 2. Select Poll option. Tap the poll icon, 3 horizontal lines, in the post screen. This will enable poll creation with multiple choices. Step 3. Add poll options. Enter your answer choices for people to vote on. You can add up to 4 different options in a single poll. Before we continue, tap subscribe to keep your tech game strong with Preyo Phonie's step-by-step guides. Step 4. Write your question. Type a clear question or caption for your poll. Make it engaging so people are encouraged to vote. Step 5. Set audience control. Tap reply settings to choose who can vote or reply. Select from everyone, followers, or specific people. Step 6. Post your poll. Tap the Post button to publish your poll instantly. Your poll will now be live on your profile. Step 7. Track results. Your poll stays active for 24 hours with a countdown timer. View results in real time as people start voting. And that's how you can create engaging polls on Threads. Subscribe for more smart and practical tech tutorials. Welcome to Preyo Phonie, where we make tech simple and practical for everyone. Want to make your Threads posts more fun and eye-catching with GIFs? Today, I'll show you how to post GIFs on Threads in just a few seconds. Step 1. Open Threads. Launch the Threads app on your device. Tap the new post icon at the bottom to start creating a post. Step 2. Tap GIF option. Tap the GIF icon in the post creation screen. This will open the built-in GIF browser instantly. Step 3. Browse or search GIFs. Scroll through featured GIFs or use the search bar. Type keywords to quickly find the perfect GIF. Don't forget to subscribe before we move on. Get instant access to smart, time-saving tech tutorials. Step 4. Select your GIF. Tap on any GIF you like to add it to your post. It will instantly appear inside your post editor. Step 5. Add caption. Type a caption or message to go along with your GIF. This helps make your post more engaging and expressive. Step 6. Post your GIF. Tap the post button to publish your content. Your GIF will now be visible on your Threads profile. And that's how you can post GIFs on Threads. Subscribe for more simple and powerful tech tutorials.